Hello, welcome to Angela's Hangout. It has been so long since I have taken you on a little room tour with me. Now, this is what my room looked like before, but I got some inspiration and we made some severe changes. So, this is my inspirational piece right here. It is Marilyn Monroe. Oh my gosh, when I saw this, I had to have it. So, let's get started. Empress Home reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try out one of their products. So I was looking and looking on their website, and they had so many beautiful things to choose from, you guys. I mean, it's all Egyptian cotton, 100% Egyptian cotton. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is like so perfect for my room right now since I'm going with the Marilyn Monroe theme. So I kind of went with something a little bit basic and simple for my taste, just because I'm trying to keep things kind of neutral. But here's their website. I mean, they literally have tons and tons of things to choose from. So anyway, I decided to go with this one. Mine came with four different pillowcases, and it came with a sheet set and also the duvet cover. And I was so excited about this duvet because I have a beautiful comforter, and I also have a Georgie. And but this one had a zipper on it, so I was really excited about that, to give that a try. So I'm going to go ahead and go put this in the wash machine, and I'm just going to put it on cold for a little while, and then I'm going to fluff dry it. So while everything was washing, I painted my wall black. So I'm like super excited about this, and I made those little panels up there out of, literally, I just made them out of paint stirrer sticks. So I decided to go ahead and put some black sheets on. So I got the sheets from Target. They were $35. I know that this set that I got had sheets in there, but I wanted something super dramatic because it's Marilyn Monroe. She needs a dramatic flair. So this is what we're going to be working with. Now it is time to start decorating. Check this thing out, you guys. I got this from Target for $15. I think that they seriously messed up one day or something, because they're still in the store for $110. Oh, and online for $110. So I just put that over there next to my Wayfair bed. I got that bed from Wayfair, by the way. And I'm just putting some faux plants up here. And I decided that I wasn't going to put any lamps in here. Instead, I opted in for the for these little push light things, but they have a remote control too. So I was just going to stick that back there just to give it a little bit of ambiance, because I don't really read or anything when I'm in bed anyway. So here is what it looks like. So I was able to get two of those little tables at $15. This one still has a tag on it. Oops, let me cut that off. All right, going to bring in a tree and stick that right there. And I'm going to grab one of those little lights and stick that behind there as well. And I have to tell you guys, I'm already pooped. Oh well, must go on. So since it is Christmas time, I have to do a little bit of decorating. So I found this tree out in my garage. I believe I got that from Ross a couple years ago. And my Santa Claus, he's always in my closet. I got that from Home Goods a couple years ago. And of course, there's glitter everywhere. And this little box, I got that from Dee Dee's probably a couple years ago, because pretty much last year was all shut down. So, but I'm going to keep my decorations at a very minimum, I should say. This dresser right here I picked up from the Facebook Marketplace. I got that for $25, you guys. It retails for $1,200, no joke. So I was really excited about that. So this is everything that I have in here so far. So we're going to keep on continuing. Look at Santa's little face. He's so cute. So let's keep on going. I'm not sure if you guys remember this chair, but I had it white, then I painted it pink, and then I decided to paint it gray. So I call this one my Georgie's timeout chair. So I put a little throw on there, just a little cheetah throw and a pillow. And of course, since it's Christmas time, I have to bring in my little tree, and it's a little girl tree. She's so cute, and I made some little ornaments with my my Cricut. So just Dollar Tree ornaments, and I just printed out some vinyl of little things. So there's Marilyn, there's lips, there's lipsticks, there's shoes. Oh my gosh, I think this is so adorable. So for the other side of the fireplace, I brought in these twig trees. I got these from Big Lots, and I think they were $35 or something like that. Last year I got them. And so, yeah, I'm going to be over here wrestling with it, and it always gets stuck in my hair and everything. Those things are kind of a pain in the butt, but they sure are pretty when they're all lit up. And then I'm just going to take a little throw and just kind of put that around there. I decided that I needed to put some artwork on the wall, so I just picked up some canvas from Five Below and I just threw some paint on there. It's kind of a copycat from something I saw on Google, and I thought it was super sharp, and it just kind of really does like kind of balance out the whole entire room. This is a comforter that I'm trying to preserve. I got this from Macy's last year. I got a really good deal on it. It was only like $35. Now, this is from Macy's. It was like originally like $260 or something like that. And they just had like a phenomenal deal, and I swooped up on that one. So here I am trying to bunch it all up into that duvet. Ooh, that's a chore. So after getting it all, wrestling around with it for a while, I decided it was time to get some of those wrinkles out. It wasn't all that bad after I pulled it out of the dryer, but I figured I'll just take my my steamer and just go ahead and get some of those little wrinkles out. If you don't have a steamer, you can use an iron. I don't have an iron, so I used my steamer, and it worked perfectly. It got the wrinkles out of it, no problem. It just kind of gives it more of a polished look, so it just kind of finishes all off. Okay, bed's all made, and I cannot wait to go jump in it. Oh my gosh, look at there, you guys. Doesn't that even, I mean, it even looks like a nice little hotel room or something like that. It's so pretty. Look at that piping down there. I think it is just absolutely stunning. It really adds to the effect of everything. It like kind of balances everything all out and brings it all together. I'm just so impressed with this. So this was the inspiration for the whole entire dramatic change in the room. There's my work center over there. That's my Cricut, and that's where I do my editing and stuff. That's like kind of like my little creative corner. And that's where I came up with the idea, actually, to do these panels up here on the wall and actually paint the wall black. Didn't really intend to do that, but I love how it turned out. It's so dramatic. And I did those the borders and everything like that just with some little paint stir sticks. I just glued them up to the wall, and I like how it's ringing in Christmas too. So I love the Santa Claus, and this little corner over here is like my favorite. Now that chair is super cute. It's very handy to throw my clothes on, which is what I always ends up happening. Love how this little tree turned out. Love how the little has like the little Marilyn effect on there and everything like that, and how the artwork really balanced out the whole entire room. So you guys did a lot of work today, and I have to say this little elf is quite pooped. I'm ready to go check out my new bedding, and oh my goodness, check it out. It's so soft, and it, do you see the sheen on there? I mean, it is just amazing to me. Let me check my head. Check this. I might have to go to sleep. I don't know. But can you believe that this is the same room? Like, I mean, it's the same layout and everything like that, but with the headboard being different and it just looks so dramatically different to me. So I'm really, really stoked how it looks now. And it's all because of Marilyn Monroe. So anyway, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. And you guys have to go check out Emperor's Home. Telling you, you will not be disappointed with the quality of their material. I mean, their material is just amazing. It's so soft, and it's like, it has a beautiful sheen, and it's like you can put it in the wash machine and everything. Telling you, Emperor's Home is the place to shop. Anyway, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Please give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.